What if science class didn't just follow a textbook, but followed students' questions and encouraged intuitive thinking? With the Allegheny Intermediate Unit's support, OpenSciEd prepares educators for the next generation of science standards, helping teachers guide their students to discover and make sense of scientific concepts for themselves, rather than simply being told the information. The AIU and OpenSciEd can show you how to transform your science instruction with this student-centered learning experience.
This really is a curriculum that reflects three-dimensional learning in its full capacity.
The AIU supports science educators in fostering student-driven inquiry and deeper understanding of scientific concepts through tailored training sessions led by qualified facilitators and ongoing coaching. OpenSciEd curriculum launch events help school districts to build internal teaching capacity, discover a cost-effective, standards-aligned professional development for their educators, and promote equitable, cohesive, and engaging science instruction in the classroom.
And so this professional learning experience is to teach teachers understand those instructional practices that are used for phenomenon-based instruction and the OpenSciEd approach, and then also helping them understand how students make sense of science ideas through exploring phenomena.
The focus is on making science accessible and engaging for all learners, while equipping science educators with the tools and strategies needed for successful classroom integration. Putting on their student hats, teachers can learn how OpenSciEd engages diverse listeners and adapts to varied classroom dynamics.
The goal of Student Hat is not for you to emulate one student, but the collective present. This workshop in particular, we have such a great group of participants who are really thinking critically about how all of their students would engage.
So it's important to wear a student hat so we can also be curious and remember what it's like to be a curious child.
No matter the grade level, OpenSciEd equips educators with the tools to spark curiosity, deepen understanding, and make science meaningful for every student.